I'm Matt Crouse with MKT Metal Manufacturing. I've been here for 15 years. As a member of the MKT Inside Sales team, I provide project proposals with complete scopes while continuously engaging with customers. I keep my job interesting by talking to new customers and learning about new products. What motivates me to wake up and come to work each morning is the fact that I love my job. It's fun, it's exciting, and it's also a great way to support my family. What I love about MKT is how well the owners treat their employees and how they'll pretty much do anything to help them out.